you haven't heard this terrifying tale. In 1959, the peaceful night in France shattered. Void of warning, the Malpasset Dam crumbled, unleashing destruction. A torrent ensued, a wall of churning water engulfing everything in its path. As the flood smothered towns beneath its merciless embrace, a chilling scene unfolded. Witnesses heard ghostly echoes, mournful cries swirling overhead as if haunted by unseen specters. Those who survived speak of eerie apparitions amidst the devastation, a reminder of nature's terrible strength and man's vulnerability. Suddenly, as the water retreated, an eerie silence descended, leaving a haunted landscape.